coming in. There's clearly no end to the politics over the deportation from the Sansad to the Sadak. So first we saw the protests and the sloganeering in the parliament, and now we are seeing protests break out on the streets as well. Protests are raging on the streets. Dramatic protest visuals coming in from Kolkata, where the West Bengal Congress workers are holding a dharna. And here as well, it's the same as we saw outside the parliament with some of the MPs also donning these mock handcuffs. That's what we're seeing in protest here as well. Shreya, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Shreya, clearly the Congress party has escalated. First it was within the parliament, outside the parliament, and now even hitting the streets.
Well, of course, we see the Congress party has escalated the entire issue. Now they have hit the street in Kolkata. We see that the Congress worker, they have come out to protest. Remember, yesterday we have seen Kesu Venugopal taking to his Twitter and saying that there is a widespread anger and shame all across the country. The ill treatment of the Indian citizens by the US authority, and not only they're protesting against the ill treatment, but also they're asking about the government's weak stance on this entire issue. So, of course, we see the Congress party now escalate the protest. Remember, also as far as the TMC party is concerned, they are also taking the same stance with the Congress party. They have called Narendra Modi a poster boy. They have said that the government is not taking any stance, and this clearly shows where India stands globally. So, of course, we see Congress escalate the protest. They take it to the street in Kolkata.
Okay, all right. So, Shreya, we have seen similar protests break out outside the parliament as well, where the Congress MPs were also joined in by their allies, the Samajwadi Party, as well as some of the left leaders. The opposition leaders say that the Indian government must make its stand clear. But a statement has already been issued by Jaishankar in both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha, and yet the protests are only continuing.
Well, of course, we see the opposition party does politicize the entire issue, although we see that a statement has been issued. But remember, we see first it was Congress inside the parliament, outside the parliament. Now it is also the TMC party. They're also commenting from West Bengal. They are saying that the government must clear their stand. It is first the ill treatment of the Indian citizens by the US authorities. Number two is also that the government is taking a weak stance in this entire matter, and this shows where India stands globally. So this is what they're claiming at this point in time. So, of course, we see whereas the Congress party, they come out to protest, although TMC have not taken to the street yet. But as far as the TMC party is concerned, they're also calling out the government for showing its weak stance in the entire matter.
Okay, all right. So the opposition leaders are saying that this is about the image of the Vishwaguru, about India, and India must take a step. But India has made its stance clear. The External Affairs Minister has also given the numbers of the previous years as well, where deportations have taken place, saying that there are SOPs that are in place, and the United States is working on the SOPs that they already have for all detainees.